Right, and welcome back to the channel. I wasn't planning on making a video today, but I need to remove the near side door to allow me to get access to the lower sill panel and the surrounding area so I can make some repairs. So it makes sense to give myself as much room as I can, so the door's got to come off. It's a relatively straightforward process, if not a bit fiddly. I've removed the door card, but I will show you that process. So in order to remove the doors and gain access to the hinges, which there's one up there as you can see, and you undo the hinges from the door. So the hinges will stay attached to the body of the car. So as you can see, there are 3 bolts on the bottom one to undo, and should be 3 bolts there, but there are shims behind each hinge which you need to keep and make sure you fit them to the right hinge, top or bottom, otherwise your door will be out. So to gain access to these hinges, we need to remove the door cover, which I've already done. I wanted to do that off camera because I thought it might be a bit fiddly, but it wasn't as fiddly as I first thought. So I'll briefly go through that now by showing you on the offside door. So after we've taken off the door pull, we need to take off the door opener and also the window winder. Now in order to do that they're both the same, we have to push back, if you can see, on that washer there, I suppose, thick washer, and that gives you access to a dowel which you have to knock out. Now it's not just one hole that's drilled through so you can put the dowel in, they're actually another one going across, and if you try to knock the pin out from the wrong 45-degree angle, if you like, then you're not going to get it out because you'll be tapping against the shaft of the door pull or window winder. And I actually did that. It took me a couple of minutes to figure out what I'd done wrong, but anyway, they just slide out and then this assembly just pulls off. And then we're in a position to remove the door card, and you have to prise off the door panel by prising out of the locating holes just there, as you can see, these spire clips. Now these were quite tough and you need a proper tool to do it, but I thought I'd got one, but it's not of the right size. This is a heftier one. It's not the right tool for the job, but I did manage to get it off without damaging anything, as you can see. So now we're in a position whereby we can take off the retaining bolts for the hinges, and then the door will just come off. Got to be careful with this part of the operation. So let's do that now. Okay, so I might get in the way here, but what I've done is I've wedged the door so it's not going to fall down, and I've loosened off all the bolts, and there's 2 in the bottom now, 2 in the top. So what I'll probably do is just take one bolt out from the top, one bolt out from the bottom, and then take the others out while hanging onto the door and stopping it from falling. So let's give it a go. And the size nuts, well, I'm using, I think they're BSF, but I'm using a 1/4 inch Whitworth spanner. So let's just take these off now. Should be finger tight. Yeah. So I've got to be careful not to get these shims mixed up now. So I think I'll take the bottom one off first. So that's that one out. I better collect those shims up first before I do anything else. So those are the shims for the bottom hinge. And those are the ones for the top. So now I can just lift the door off. It's free from all the hinges. There's one simple thing I've forgotten, and luckily it's easy to take out, and that is the door stop. So that's just a little plug there. There we go. So that is how you take the door off a Rover P4. I'll just put this somewhere safe now. So now I've got access to the areas I need to repair. That's an easy job to do, and probably take you, if I was to do this a second time, instead of taking me about, what, 3/4 of an hour, because I didn't want to mess anything up. You could do this in about 15-20 minutes. But yeah, that is the near side door of the Rover P4 off. Hope you enjoyed this short little video. See you in the next one. Ta-ta.